Hi, and welcome back. This is our part 4 of our Glow from Within series, where we are inviting radiant energy to our face and our mind and our skin. So we're going to get started today with doing our cheek area. So we're going to release tension in our cheek area and give it some nice, healthy glow. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by applying a little bit of face oil. If you haven't already, I'm just going to apply a little bit here on my lips and my cheek area here. You can kind of pat it into the skin, or you can just massage it into the skin, whatever feels best to you. Wonderful. So I'm going to start by gently tapping our cheek area here. Take a nice deep breath. Close your eyes if you want. So this series is really about just connecting to ourselves again. So these aren't really quick movements that we're just gonna erase wrinkles or, this is just really a time for you to connect with yourself and kind of releasing that tension. And when I mean connecting with ourselves, is really about kind of tuning into our emotions and just seeing how am I actually feeling today. And by doing that, and as we're tapping on our skin, we can intentionally release the tension that we have in our face here and invite healthy radiance and healthy glow to our face. This is also going to help boost the circulation in our cheek area here, inviting beautiful, healthy oxygen and really waking up our skin. Wonderful. So what we're going to start with here is we're going to take our index finger and our thumb, pinch your lips like this. And I'm going to explain how to do it first because I'm going to be pinching and I'm going to show you how to do it. But you're going to pinch your lips and then you gently want to kind of wiggle the lips here, moving all the way from one side to the middle to the other. And this is going to release the tension in our lip area here. And this is also what's going to reduce those smile lines here because we hold so much tension in our lower face. And a lot of it is what's creating these lines on top of our lips and underneath our lips and also these smile lines. So by just kind of moving the muscle here and kind of releasing that tension, it's gonna start smoothing out this entire area. Okay, so let's get started here. Wonderful. We're gonna do this one more time. Great work. Can start by kind of just like smoothing out our lip area a little bit here. You should have like a nice little glide to it too, because we applied that face oil. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take our index finger and our middle finger. Start all the way here from the jaw. Open up your mouth slightly here. So this is the sequence here. You're gonna slide all the way up. Open your mouth slightly. And when you get to the side of your nose here, just start doing some little wiggle movements here by releasing the tension here. Because this area right here is where we keep a lot of that tension, and this is where the smile lines and the smile nasolabial folds start. So you want to start by kind of just massaging this area. And we're going to slide all the way out and down. One more time. Beautiful. Now to end this routine, we're going to rub our palms together. Get them nice and warm. And we're gonna place our palms on our face here, really sealing in that radiance, that glow. Take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this ritual. So this is something that you can do every single day. And this is a wonderful technique because, as I mentioned earlier, we have so much tension in our lower face. So by doing these two techniques, you are really going to release that tension in your lower face, which is going to reduce those lines and wrinkles on our lips and our folds, our smile lines over here. All right, so next we're going to be working on our jawline. So I'll see you in the next one.